In this video, you'll learn how to swap any Solana token using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will efficiently exchange tokens like Solana for USDC or any other Solana token of your choice. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth experience while performing the swap. Once the wallet is open, locate and click on the swap button. This option is typically found on the main interface of the wallet. After clicking, you will be directed to the swap interface where you can initiate your token exchange. In the You Pay section, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on this menu to select the token you wish to swap, such as OL. After making your selection, the interface will update to show you the relevant details for the token you have chosen. Next, move to the You Receive section and click on the token list. This action will present you with a list of tokens available for exchange. You can scroll through the options or use the search functionality to find the specific token you want to receive. To narrow down your search, utilize the search bar by typing in the name or symbol of the token, such as USDC or any other Solana token. The results will filter in real time, allowing you to quickly find your desired token. Once you locate the token in the search results, click on it to select it. The interface will then display additional information regarding the token, including its current exchange rate. Now, enter the amount of the token you wish to swap in the provided input field. Ensure that the amount is within the limits set by the wallet and that you have sufficient balance to complete the transaction. After entering the amount, click on the Review button followed by the Swap option to confirm your transaction. This will initiate the swapping process, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is being processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.